Hello guys, good afternoon here in Italy. So karon nga video is I'm gonna show you what I bought a Como Centro. So this one it's gold stainless. So this is a gold stainless a ring. So it's a ring gold stainless. So this is the one guys. I bought a gold stainless and this is Bijou Brigitte. Bijou Brigitte ang ngalan sa shop ani. So this is a gold stainless plus there is also for cleaning this ring. So I have a handkerchief to cleaning the ring. So there you go. Because I need to have a ring for my left side because my engagement ring is not fit anymore, so I need to have a partner for my wedding ring. I have an engagement ring but it's not fit anymore, so I bought another ring for partnering on my wedding ring here. So this is the one guys. Ta-da! Yeah. So I'm gonna put this one on my left side of my hands to have a partner in my wedding ring. So finally there you are. This is my ring. I bought in Bijou Brigitte. So thank you for watching and I feel like this video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.